Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to upload pictures in Google Drive. Why would you want to know how to upload pictures in Google Drive? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Drive and not sure how to upload pictures in Google Drive. So today I am going to show you how to upload pictures in Google Drive. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Uploading pictures in Google Drive is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will upload pictures in Google Drive. First of all, open Google Drive in your mobile phone. Now here is Google Drive home screen. Now first click on Files in the right bottom corner, and then first create new folder by clicking on plus icon and click on Folder. Now first enter your folder name and then open it. Now again click on plus icon and now click on upload. You can select any picture from your gallery and then click on done. Your picture has been uploaded on Google Drive. So there you go. If you were wondering how to upload picture in Google Drive, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.